Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. I want to give a big old shout out to all the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what I put out, vlogs, reviews, walkthroughs, hauls, whatever you're watching. Shout out to you, because you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me. Also, y'all, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and please follow your girl on Instagram if you want to see my candle of the day, or just what I'm doing on a daily basis. I normally post that in my stories, but on my timeline, I normally post all of the candles that I burn for the day. As y'all do know, Bath & Body Works is having a candle sale. The 3-wick candles is $12.95. If you have a 20% coupon, you could get them for like $10.50. We're gonna say $10.50, even though it's a little bit less, but with taxes, depending on what area you're in, it's about $10.50, $11, somewhere up in there, which is a really good sale. It's a good sale if you want to get your backups. It's a good sale to get those candles that might sell out super quick. So candles that might not last till semi-annual sale, the winter semi-annual sale. So now is a good time to buy some of those candles, and like I said, your backup candles. So they did release a lot of new fall candles, so I'm gonna go up to the store and see what my store have. If they don't have anything, I think I'm going to place an online order, because most of the candles that I want is online exclusives. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But I have to go because I haven't posted a walkthrough or a haul in a while. Maybe I shouldn't say nothing and just leave it to positivity and just keep pushing forward. Maybe that's what I should just do. You know, just keep pushing forward, keep pushing, keep producing my content, be original to my channel, be as unique as possible to my channel, regardless of, I'm just trying to bring y'all the best content that I can, the best content that I know how to do. I'm trying to be unique. I'm trying to be creative. I'm trying to be original. You know, to me, original is what makes your channel stand out from everybody else's, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be as original as possible, as unique as possible. I don't want my videos or my channel to look like somebody else. Yes, I do know that everybody is posting like just about the same things, hauls and walkthroughs and things of that nature, but how you stand out from the crowd is you have to be a little bit different. You got to be a little bit different. And what I'm noticing is every time I be a little bit different, somebody comes along and try to steal my style, you know, and I'm not claiming that I coined the style. You know, I'm sure it's a lot of people who do videos similar, but anytime you're doing basically every single thing that somebody else do, then you're just copying. You know, be creative. You're a creator. Be creative. And I don't even know if I'm gonna put this part in it, but that's weighing heavy on me, because I know how hard it is to be creative. I know how hard it is to stand out in a crowd of people who's doing the same thing. You know, I personally feel like a true creator is a person who's original, who's creating their own style, their own vibe, their own vision, you know, and that's just how I feel. And if y'all think I'm taking shots at somebody, so fucking be it. So what? So what? You know, but I'm gonna get this video started. I'm getting ready to go ahead and go to Bath & Body Works, see what they got. You know, on a live stream, some people were saying something about some Home Depot candles. So I'm gonna go over to Home Depot and see what's up with them, with those candles. I'll probably just get one. I only seen one that I I'm very interested in. So let's get this video started, because this went on for a long time, and I don't even, like I said, I don't even know if I'm gonna put that part in there, but that's just weighing heavy on me when you know how hard you work, and then somebody come along and they steal your exact same style, you know, your whole vision from A to Z. It ain't sitting right with me, you know. And I try to stay positive, and I try to not say anything, because it's one of these things where, you know, you don't want to be involved in drama, because internet drama to me is real stupid. It's dumb, you know. It's like, it's just back and forth. If ain't nobody gonna make no moves, it ain't no sense in doing it, you know. But that's just how I feel. So let's get this video going. Let's get this let's get this video going. So let's head on over to the store, because it's almost 12 o'clock, and I normally like to be at the store way earlier than now. So let's get it going. The $12.95 sale. Yay! I was so excited to get into the store to see what candles that my store had. As you see, they do have some of the new candles. This white pumpkin oak wood, amazing candle. But my store didn't have a whole lot, so I really didn't buy nothing. So let's check out what they have. I'm over at the sink, and I decided to do a little demo of Open Sky, just to try it out, to see if I like it and see what it really smells like. I do have the candle, but I wanted to see what the body care smells like. The lotion is amazing. Don't forget your elbows. I was really shocked to see these items in the store. The Halloween items, I just knew that they will be sold out in all of my stores because we don't have a lot of stores here. So to see these items, I was super shocked. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I only got one candle, like I said. Everything that I want is actually online. So I'm just, and I probably shouldn't even got this candle because I did not use a coupon, which made this candle $14. Oh my God, regular price almost. Well, regular sale price. So I just got one candle that I do plan on ordering online, and because most of the candles I want is online, so I just got this one, which is white pumpkin oak wood. I'm actually gonna, like I said, place an order for this one. I just love white pumpkin, and that's what this is giving me. It's giving me that white pumpkin. What is the scent notes in this? White pumpkin, sandalwood, spiced pear. So far on code, I like it. Wow, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. So since I do like it on code, when I place my order, I might just grab two and then return one. Yeah, I'm gonna have some kind of game plan, but most definitely like this on code. Okay, while I was in the store, I decided to try the Open Sky. So Open Sky will be the featured product in this video. Open Sky, the notes in it is blackberries, violet, and vanilla. As you did see, I tried the soap, the lotion, as well as I have a slight sample of the body mist, the fragrant mist, so I could smell it while I'm talking about it. I actually think it smells really, really good. Most definitely smelled the blackberries. It do have like a creamy scent. I wish I would have sprayed more on this. It's not bad. I do smell the violet in it as well. It's not bad. And y'all know I really don't care for a lot of violet scents, but this ain't bad. And like I said, I did use all of the products, you know, all the ones that I could use. The soap, you know, I did smell it as I was washing my hands. Super creamy, like always with the foaming soap. It's always moisturizing to me. Very soft, silky feeling. The lotion, of course, was very soft and silky as well. You know, went into my skin really good. You know, the fragrance, you do get the blackberries, you do get the violet. I don't really smell vanilla. I most definitely smelled the blackberries along with the violet. It's nice, but I personally don't think that I will buy this. I don't think it's for me. It's nice, but I don't see myself actually wearing this. Yeah, I don't see myself reaching for this, you know, that often. Not as an all-day scent. Now, as far as like just the lotion, something that's just gonna wear off really, really quick, or like the soap, yeah, I could see myself purchasing the soap. You know, maybe if they came out with like the small hand creams, maybe I will purchase that. But as far as like the fragrance, yeah, no, I really don't purchase their body care anyway. Maybe at 75%, but full price or sale price, it's a pass for me. So yes, that was Open Sky. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe and let me know, what do you think about this white pumpkin oak candle? I like it, and it smells like it's gonna be really, really strong. I most definitely smell like, yeah, I guess that's that spiced pear. This is good. Damn, I just realized this was $25.50. This is at the $25.50 price point. Wow. I just noticed that. I didn't notice that at first. And does it have the, it has the old lids, I think. Yeah, that looked like the older lid. But I actually really like the packaging. I love these neutral colors. Love it, love it, love it. With the pumpkins. Love this packaging. They did it right with this. Shout out to marketing or whoever designed the packaging. Y'all did this one right. This is really nice. I really, really like this. And then white pumpkin is just one of my absolute favorite. And then the fact that they put in the sandalwood. Oh my gosh. It just took this one up to a different level for me. You know, with the sandalwood and the pear. Yeah, this next level. If you like white pumpkin, just the plain white pumpkin, you're probably gonna like this. And I might have to bring white pumpkin back out to smell it side by side just to really see the difference in the two. But so far, I really like this. Yeah, I really, really like this. I most definitely might, and crossing my fingers that it throw really good. It smells really strong on cold, so I'm hoping it throws the same way. Fingers crossed with that one. But that's basically the only thing I got. I demoed the Open Sky, and I just got one candle. I'm gonna place my order online, so be on the lookout for that whenever it comes. My shipping, for some reason, they've been shipping things slow, so I already know it's gonna be a little minute for that. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Leave in the comments, let me know, what did you buy on this sale, this $12.95 sale? Let me know, did you get backups? Did you buy any of the new fall candles, or did you just buy Halloween stuff? So leave that in the comments. Let me know what you bought. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.